Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and it is Bonfire night! Way! Now let's go see some fireworks! Woo! Where's it gone? Spencer's vlogging on this channel. I currently can't see, there's our bonfire. Whoa! I don't know if you can see that well. Spencer, this is actually, since you can't see nothing, this is actually pretty good. I can currently see some sparkle stuff. We're literally blind.
There's one coming more.
There's another one. Hello. Ooh, look at me. There, you can see.
That was guys.
Okay, we go there. You can see that it's sparkling.
Listen, move back a bit.
There we go. That is all right. That's actually all right catching. Very pretty. That was actually...
Oh, is there a rocket?
My hand is actually in the way. Yeah?
Burning.
Let's have a look at this firework, guys.
Burn. Come on, Pete. This one is...
The majority of them are candles.
There's a fire. Oh, here we go, there's lighting.
Sophie, come over here.
Okay. Spencer, I could pretty much see you from this point. Say hi. Another thing's went in.
Which one do you want?
Let's throw a bit of...
The majority of the ones are.
Throwing a bit of wood in. Spencer, throwing a bit of wood in. Oh, here we go, another one of them. Wow.
Yep, this is alive in firework world. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it?
Boom.
Say hi, John. Can you say hi?
Perry, I don't want to touch him then.
That was actually warm, man.
Gee, you said they were warm?
Oh, man, doesn't it?
Get a rocket on.
Oh, is that Atlas thing?
Next one, can we get a rocket? Come on, because I want to see the rocket.
Huh?
There's an old matchstick wrapper. Yeah. Look at that fire. Oh, I could sweat off this, could you?
Yeah. You got better bottle. Have you set up on it?
Right.
Boom!
Mine's catching up pretty well. Say hi, mine.
Hi. There's another one. Oh, yeah.
We got another one.
Nice for this thingy, man.
Is that good?
Whoa! Flipping hell!
Blub. Is that it?
Is that it? No, there might be some more. Sophie!
Stop worrying about Sophie, she's alright.
No, I'm worrying. She's pregnant.
Perry, do we need a bit more firewood in this? Perry, should I shove a bit more firewood in there? Perry, should I shove a bit more firewood in there?
You can't do it like that.
Watch. Hey, Mama, need. Oh, is it another one? Oh, that's actually warm, that. Oh, another one. There's another one, lads. Yeah, it's American, isn't it? There it is. Wow.
What is it?
Oh, it's an angel. It's angel.
Oh, these got this one.
These are shooting up in the air because I can see little bullet things. Yeah, you can see my hand.
Remember, bring it in.
But
How do you feel about being on a YouTube video so high? It was really nice.
really shocked.
Don't work.
Don't throw him. Oh, that's cold. Oh, there's that angel. That's the angel dying in the fire. Yeah, can I? Is there? Have you got a
Put
rocket?
so many of the floor ones in, don't they? Yeah.
You need to have a rocket in there. We're fire technicians, guys. We know a lot about them. Move away from it. Is there any more lighting? Spencer, here's another one. Here's another one.
Whoa.
Right, next one we need a rocket because this is our. I want a big rocket for my YouTube channel. Whoa!
That's scared.
That's scary. Will, can you get a rocket? Perry, can you get a rocket?
Put it in.
There's nothing wrong with it. It's quite cool. It's quite cool. Man, why are you worrying about us? It's just fireworks.
I don't know.
My mate got yeah, he got shot right in the arm.
Oh yeah, wait.
Oh, I think this is a rocket.
It's not a rocket.
They just want to stick in the floor, these.
We need a rocket. Really beautiful! Wow, it's like a shotgun now. Perry, we need a rocket in. I want a rocket.
You guys are all whoa.
Spencer, a lot of flips going around your head, and you've got lacquer in your hair.
What's lacquer?
Hairspray.
Oh yeah.
Oh, your head.
Keep away from it. Oh, yeah. Go right up in flames.
Can I?
You got all lacquer.
Listen, you can't like this. You stupid dude.
Can we?
Listen, you got me.
Well, please, can we have a rocket, please? I'll just show you how fireworks that we got. Right, can we have a rocket? Can we have a rocket? Is that a rocket? That's how it's set up. Well, you can't really see it. Dark as. There's our fire.
This won't get caught on fire, you know why? Oh, there's another one. Go for you.
Hope you're enjoying this, guys. Right, next one. Right, you know, next one. I want a rocket, please. Because Mum said this was for us.
Well, the arrow for you, all of them, stupid.
Yeah, but we want a rocket. Please get us a rocket. Rocket, please, rocket. Is it a rocket you're getting? Yes, it's a rocket. It's a rocket.
Yeah, we got a rocket. Here.
We got a rocket.
Make sure it's in straight up and not at me. Because we all know you.
Hello. Can't really see you. It's going up. There it is.
Boom.
Well, that was actually quite cool. Perry, get a big rocket or the 100 one. Oh, yay, boy! We're getting massive rockets now. We're getting bigger. There it is, guys, as you can see. Aim it up in the air. There it is. See, I know where it is. Can you smell fish? Nah. Another one. Hopefully this is a class in. Another red in.
Oh, you're on our YouTube. I'm you're on our YouTube.
Say hi.
So this is Harry.
Another one. Wow. Okay. Leo.
I wish I had my own.
Right, one more firework before this goes off. One big firework! Here we come! Well, yeah, I can actually still see it. Oh. Can we have a massive one, please?
We have the biggest one of them all.
Where are the biggest ones? They are the big ones.
We'll put them on the fire. Like that, nah.
Okay, I'm putting stuff in the fire because I am a professional. Tell me, Spencer, tell me when it's firing, and then I'll just capture it one.
So this is the end of my final vlog. Oh, no, it isn't. We'll just watch this last one. And then we've got the best ones, but yeah, but now this is.
Right, let's go in here and do the vlog.
No,
Do the
just do it. So that was the end of my
Okay, now I've got away from this, and as you can hear, there is loads of fireworks going off. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.